dedicated sites as such. It's just terraces, and each terrace can house a couple of vans. This one, for instance, is for 4. The one up there, I think, it's only for 2. It's only 2 plug points, but they're very level, very nice. Taps, 2 taps for the 4 sites, and normal screw fitting at the end of the tap. One tap has got just a smooth fitting, and then it is round 3-pin plugs. Terrace on the one side of the road, right next to the dam. There's a big hall. No braai facility on this site, but there's a big communal braai down there by the hall. With grids and a hanger for potjie, it looks like. Of chairs and tables. The side doors, they can open completely, and then the front doors that overlook the dam. Back to the hall. There's a gents and ladies toilet and basin, and then right next to me, recycling bins. There's a wash-up space, gas geyser, area undercover on the side of the wall, overlooking the dam. I didn't see that when I did the video earlier. Unfortunately, the door is locked at the moment, but there's a kitchen here by the hall. The stove, looks like a microwave, fridge, and a zinc here. A few hiking trails around. Yesterday, went up there, and you can go right to the top of the mountain. I believe you can go over the mountain right to the other side, but it's a very steep climb. Like a bird on a tree. But I climbed up about 80 meters, turned left, leveled out, just went there into the forest, walking right down that way. And there's lots of dams around, and lots of nice walkways to walk. We can sit together. Washing trough, it's so beautiful. 2 sinks, washing machine, and a tumble dryer. In the great outdoors, forever free. Gents and ladies. Big showers, 3 showers, 2 toilets, 3 basins. Very neat, tidy, clean, and hot water. Very big. This is on the opposite side of the road. Down that way is the entrance, road to Howick.